go. Guys, napakaraming big bike riders ngayon. It's a great Sunday. Magmamahal na ng 10 more baht ang presyo ng gasolina next week. Kaya this time is the best time for us to ride. Hello, brother. Guys, ito nga pala si Richie, bagong kaibigan natin from Africa. Hey. At ito naman si Ma'am Jai from Davao. Hi. Ang motor po nila ay isang Kawasaki Z900. Good morning! Ito nga pala si Boss Zen, D, Sean at Pops Russell. So next week magtataas na ng 10 baht ang gasolina.
Wala na labasan.
50 baht per liter.
Wala na, magbabike na lang kami. Dahil wala tayong e-bike, magbabike tayo.
Meron marami
Wala
sa
nang
marketplace.
labasan.
Sa marketplace meron eh. Maraming bike.
Yung binenta kong mountain bike ko doon na 500, papauwiin ko sa kapitbahay namin.
So yes guys, totoo po yun. It's gonna be a 10 baht more. It's gonna be 10 baht more increase next week. Talagang this is very sad for us riders and lalong lalo na sa ating mga kababayan. Let's go guys, let's go! Hindi naman talaga ako sana sasama, pero nung nakita ko ng itinerary nila ay nag-iba yung isip ko. Kayang-kaya ng ating maliit na Vespa ang destination bago mag alas 9. And when Sean did this, I was immediately reminded of the most important thing to do bago mag-ride. Brother, let's pray first. Tat, pray muna tayo. Okay, let's pray. And after the prayer led by our friend Richie, we were on our way. I did not waste any time and I took all the opportunities of overtaking other vehicles like I was riding on my own. Mas nakakalusot kasi sa mga matraffic na lugar ang Vespa kaysa mga big bikes. Ang sabi ko lang sa kanila ay habulin nila ako. And when the road was wide open, nag-overtake din naman sila and later they wait for me. This is our first stop, but according to a couple of riders we met at the entrance, sabi nila alas 9 pa raw magbubukas ang cafe na ito. Kaya we just parked here and took some photos.
Okay lang, medyo excited ba?
Napakagandang daan papunta pala dito. Nami-miss ko tuloy yung mga lahat ng kasama kong hindi nakapag-rides ngayon. Pero sige lang, sa susunod meron pa naman tayong ibang oras.
Ganda!
Ayos, ang ganda ng rides. Kaso yung mga ano dyan, nag-aya, wala na. Sorry.
Hindi sumama yung iba eh.
Hi guys.
Ito ang pinakamalakas na motor today. S125. So syempre hindi tayo papuli guys.
Tara na, biyaheng walang kapalit. Sa kalsada ng Thailand, may kwento sa likod ng ngiti. Tunay na buhay, tunay na damdamin. Pinoy sa banyagang lupain, pero puso'y kayang dalhin.
Kasama ang hangin, ang araw at ulan, motor sa daan, kwento'y ating hanapin.
Ito ang Pinoy Thailand Edition. Totoong kwento, totoong misyon. Tawanan, aral at koneksyon. Bawat tagpo'y may inspirasyon.
And we have arrived. The Black Lagoon. Dito po ito sa may Botong. Ito po yung dalawang riders na nakasalubong natin kanina sa first stop. So, dito na tayo sa Black Lagoon, Botong, Chonburi. What do you think about the road?
Yeah, and it was a good ride. People who didn't come really missed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time.
Next time, yeah, sure.
So kahit naka-Vespa lang tayo guys, sama din tayo dito kasi di naman malayo, malapit lang. Wow, ganda dito. The Black Lagoon. Ito yung cafe nila at doon sa likod meron silang restaurant. Dito ang view, ang ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo naman, ganda. Ayun sila oh, tambay na under the tree. Under the tree. Pwede kaya dito sa gabi kasi may mga ilaw eh, tsaka may mga upuan doon. Compared last time na nandito kami, medyo mababa yung tubig. Tahimik. Mga huni lang ng ibon ang naririnig natin. Na natin yung cafe. Air conditioned. Nice. Wow, this is nice. Hey.
Hello.
Oh, we saw you at the.
We saw
I thought you might end up here.
It's okay if I.
That's okay.
My name's Fernando from the Philippines.
Nice to meet
I
you.
ride with my buddies. Where you guys from?
Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
This place is beautiful.
It is. Not easy to find though.
Yeah.
You're doing a multi-day trip, or
This is just a half-day trip.
if it's a half-a-day trip, then you are quick.
Problem is, I was riding a Vespa.
I've seen it. I thought either this is a massively tuned Vespa or you're suffering.
All stock. You know, I was leading them. They couldn't catch up when it's the traffic is slow.
Yeah, of
They
course.
couldn't switch. And so I make up time, and then they just catch up. I think they're okay. Cool. Napasabak tayo sa English dun guys ah. Oh, nice guys from Germany. Ito naman, imported din mga to. From the Philippines!
Hello, welcome
Sawadee krab!
Pinoy Thailand Edition. Nandito na naman tayo ngayon sa magandang lugar.
Oh, napaka-relaxing.
Napaka-relaxing.
Shout out sa inyo mga Lodi!
ข้าวผัดไก่ไข่ดำ
So hindi pwede kumain sa cafe. Kape lang talaga. Kaya lipat kami sa restaurant. Welcome! Thank you. So guys, bali ngayon may hinihintay din tayo from Rayong, si Boss Mark. First time niya makipag meet up dito sa mga tropa natin. Welcome boss. Makain na sila eh. Musta? Ganda ng motor mo ah.
Luma na yan, sir.
Bago to. Naka-Acra pa.
9 months pa lang. 9 months pa lang.
Pasok tayo sa loob. Meet the guys. Si Sir Mar from Antique.
Hello.
Hello po. Hello sir. Ito si Sean. Si D. Si Ma'am Jai.
And at this point po ay iniwan na natin sila at bumiyahin na tayo pabalik ng Nonthaburi for another event. Thank you very much guys for watching, and don't forget to comment down below and share with us your thoughts and also maybe some ideas for our next upload. Maraming salamat po. Sawadee
Ito
krab.
ang Pinoy